Hello, everyone. I'm Wayne Motts from the National Civil War Museum in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, and I'm standing inside the museum galleries with our board member, Keith Mitchell, here in Harrisburg. And Keith, we've got some exciting news about a new video series we're doing. Why don't you tell us a little bit about it?
Well, Wayne, I'm excited only because today people think they can rewrite history, but history's already happened. It's his story, it's her story, and I'm excited to be standing here beside my grandfather who fought in the Civil War and has his own unique story. So I'm excited to hear about this series.
So Keith's grandfather, shown right here next to us, a black soldier in the Civil War. We're going to highlight a new video series on black soldiers from Pennsylvania that fought in the 54th Massachusetts Volunteer Infantry Regiment. And we're going to call that series Black Courage, Pennsylvanians in the 54th Massachusetts Volunteer Infantry Regiment. And we're going to go all over South Central Pennsylvania talking about these black men and their contribution to fighting for the Union in the Civil War. I'm really excited about it. And Keith, thanks for coming out with us this morning. We need all of you to subscribe, like, and follow us on social media for this exciting new educational content. And Keith, thanks for being here with us.
Oh, sure, no problem.